As you know, I am the Christmas queen. I'm self-proclaimed. I don't care. I love Christmas and I love the gingerbread theme this year, and that's what I'm going to be doing for my Christmas trees. But I just want to show you how trending products can be seen in store and also translated into your shop to give you some sort of ideas. As you can tell, there is a lot of gingerbread theme items this year, a lot of pale pinks, a lot of pale aqua. And this is what really guided me in my Etsy shop. So let me show you some research I've done. So if you look here, this whole pink themed gingerbread house is kind of in style. It's in 20 baskets. She had a sale. It's really cute. If you scroll down, you'll see a lot of other people are doing gingerbread, nutcrackers, everything Christmas themed is popping right now. So I took it upon myself to just, do some research because it's free. And I typed in pink gingerbread house, or you could have done pink gingerbread clip art. Both populate, meaning it is very popular. And look what I came upon. So you see a lot of pink gingerbread houses. But when we scroll down, you see mine that came up in the first page, which I felt real lit. I felt good about that. So obviously, maybe I may be coming up onto a trend. I don't know. People are starting to do Christmas shopping, and that includes digital products. And then, of course, we have like the Christmas Santa Claus, the gingerbread cookies, all those things. A lot of these items you see here are in people's carts or they're best sellers. So let's go check a look at what I did. So, of course, I love ChatGPT. So I started off from a previous prompt that I did. And I said, you know what? Make it more whimsical, more dreamy, more pretty. And do you see how beautiful they are? And I said, give me some more. And you see how it fits the aesthetic. And I said, we're going to add bows to it. We're going to make it a bundle. So you got bows as well, because people use these items for like a multitude of things. And now look at all those gingerbread cookies. So I had to redo the prompt because some things were cut off, but look at how cute that is. And you add it to your shop as a bundle, and you could just keep prompting ChatGPT and you could just get more and more things that relate to the previous item that you created before. Now, I know there's a way to separate all these items from each other and make them isolated items, and you could add that as a PNG for an actual clip art pack, and I will do my research to figure out how to do that. But it's just so nice. You can get a cohesive design together. As you can see, all these go together if that's something you want. And then if you want to see more, don't forget to like and follow. Bye.